I smell something fishy. For those of us who grew up in southern China, fresh seafood is not just a way of life. It is an obsession. I'm going to come in this Pacific Street fish market and pick up some live seafood. But by fresh, we don't mean fresh frozen. No, no, no. Fresh to us means it is still alive and moving, swimming. Look at that. That's what live fish is all about. Just say that you're planning a birthday party or any party at home and you want something very special. What is more special than a whole fish, steamed or fried to perfection? Okay, this red snapper. Okay.
Chef, what is this?
This is a flour, one portion of flour, a half a portion of cornstarch. You sprinkle in between. Look at that, look at that. You can bake them and you can use an air fryer. That's beautiful.
You can air fry this?
You know, it's beautiful. Look at that.
This is very, it reminds me of classic Hong Kong style cooking.
This is so beautiful. Since live fish is always on demand, the turnover in a Chinatown fish store is always very high. They get their delivery daily, first thing in the morning. Huh? But how can you tell if it is fresh? Well, you can see for yourself. Jumping live. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Take a look. But you can also use your nose. You see, fresh fish does not smell fishy at all. That is a good rule to remember. If you walk into a store and it smells fishy, leave. Hey, yeah, you know what? But there is much more to fresh seafood than live fish. I come here for live shrimp, crab, and they are all in season. Crawfish, very popular in Louisiana. When I go to Louisiana, I can have 5 pounds of this by myself. Shellfish like oyster, and then for something different, giant clams, gooey duck, and Boston lobster. Look at that. This is a Boston, this at least a 5-pounder right here. Look at that. Whoa. That's what I come here for. Everything's live, fresh, and moving.